Welcome to my channel, everybody. My name is Mike Klingler, and as you see the title here, Now Money is the Key. I'm going to be teaching you what the gurus do. I'm going to be teaching you what I did for 25 years that allowed me to be able to work from home successfully. And between 2007 and 2011, generate well over $7 million a year, rather hands-off. And work with people like Mark Hoverson, according to him, put him on the map. It was the first digital product that he marketed online in a big way. Work with Ann Sieg and generate multiple seven figures with her, become one of Mike Dillard's top affiliates. One time him sending me a $200,000 check for just one of his affiliate programs. Jonathan Budd, I think tens of thousands of dollars, just kind of passively marketing some of his stuff and having over multiple seven figures generated through affiliates selling my stuff. So I've been around the block. I'd love to teach this. This is a passion of mine. But what I really want to get down to is showing you how to do it. And it's all about the now money. It's all about, yeah, you've got to have an audience. I don't care what you're doing. You've got to have an audience. It can include building a list or not, but I definitely recommend that it does. I know some gurus are out there teaching you don't need a list, but really that just helps them, because then if you're selling their affiliate product, you're just building their list, and then you can't make ongoing money. You can make now money, but not ongoing money. So we're going to talk about the pros and cons of all of that on this channel. Some gurus out there saying, you don't need a marketing funnel. That's true. I'll talk about how you can make money online without a marketing funnel, but I'm going to talk about the pros and cons and show you just how simple it can be to use a marketing funnel and to do it right. We're going to talk about systems that are already built, that are available, that you can just plug into so you don't have to build a funnel yourself. We'll talk about the pros and cons of that versus building your own funnel. And again, how to keep it simple if you do that. I'm going to break it down into very simple terms. I've prided myself for years on teaching click-by-click stuff. Now, I haven't taught this stuff for years. I'm just kicking off my channel, returning to this process once again. I got away from affiliate marketing and teaching these things in 2012. I'd had tremendous success with it and went to pursue other passions and other interests. And now I'm back in a big way and very excited to return and show you everything that I'm doing, everything I'm testing, and kind of entering into it kind of as a newbie in many ways. But with that experience, I'm noticing a lot hasn't changed. The industry's just gotten bigger. The opportunities are absolutely incredible. It's actually easier than it ever was. I'm going to talk about why. I'm going to talk about how to focus on just a few little things and not be all over the place like a lot of you are. I talk to people every day who've spent $5,000 on this program, $10,000 on that program, a whole bunch of $997 programs, and they're still not succeeding because they're all over the place. I'm going to break it down into very simple terms. Anyway, so I'm going to come back to this. I want you to notice right down here at the bottom, it says maximize and automate all three sections. Building the audience, obviously you have to offer to sell, and then you generate money. But there's more than this, a lot more than this. It's the devil's in the details, as they say. I'm going to break down those details if you follow this channel. So subscribe to the channel and maybe leave a comment or something so I know that you're out there. Then I can maybe engage with you a little bit. Let me know what your experiences, your challenges have been. If you've worked with me in the past, maybe many years ago when I used to be a super affiliate in the industry, between 2007 and 2012, let me know. Send me a shout out. And by the way, you notice that this says maximize and automate all three sections: audience, offer, and the now money, which is focusing on making money up front so you can have that upfront money. I'll talk more about that in a minute in one of my disclaimers. But it's saying do all of that for immediate and compounding revenue. What do I mean by compounding revenue? Well, if you're building a list, which again, you don't have to do, but I'll show you the advantages of it and why you may want to do it. It's all about compounding revenue. If you're building a list, then you can keep selling to that list over and over and over again. And by the way, if you have an opportunity, like a network marketing opportunity, you can fit all that into this and drive the growth of that. That's what all the big players are doing nowadays. Now, before I go any further, this is the first video of the channel on this topic. I've deleted all my old videos because I'm going to focus 100% on the topic I just shared with you and teach you guys step by step, click by click, how to pull all this off, how to make it finally happen by focusing in on the simple things that add up and matter to get you results right away, including into a now money situation, because that's really where people need to get, or they're going to be struggling, and you just can't do well when you're struggling. Okay, so disclaimer and reality check. This YouTube channel connects you to cutting-edge tools and training to help you generate leads and cash flow with online and affiliate marketing, and also shares principles that can be applied to create wealth. But this does not imply that using any system or resource I share guarantees that you will generate cash flow or wealth or anything for that matter. And anyone that ever does guarantee that, there's either two things happening. They're either having you jump through a number of hoops and not telling you what those are up front, which oftentimes is misleading, or they're just outright scamming, or they're just ignorant. And I've been ignorant in the past and said things and did things that I would never do today because I understand the legal ramifications of it, or I understand the whole game much differently. This is an important thing to get. And if you ever hear anybody making big promises with an opportunity, whether it's a networking opportunity or affiliate marketing opportunity or make money from home opportunity, without emphasizing what I am right now, if they're not giving you the disclaimer and really not just glossing over it, but making sure you understand this, they're either inexperienced or they're outright scamming. It's one or the other. Now, those people that do promise guarantees, usually on the front, they'll say, oh, we're going to offer a $10,000 guarantee, and sit tight and get through our presentation, and you'll hear about that. And you finally hear, well, you have to purchase a $10,000 product from them before you even get access to that. Sometimes that kind of stuff's going on. And then you find out there's 100 other hoops to jump through, and if they told you the percentage of people who actually qualified to get that $10,000 back, you'd find out it's nil. That's not really transparent. So anyway, here's the point. Your results are 100% dependent upon your own productivity, your personal efforts, and many other unpredictable variables. My job is to teach you what I know. My job and my passion is to give you the tools and show you how to get there faster. And I've been doing this for so long, it's like the back of my hand to do that. So that's for you to decide. Again, if you want to come along and see what I have to provide and share with you, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell, that little icon that has you be notified, because I'm going to be giving you the goods. So a little bit more here. I'm going to lay it out right now. I may sometimes refer you to opportunities that can be used to build what I describe as residual or leveraged income. That's different than now money. That's not instant gratification. I'm going to be doing both. I'm going to be talking about both, the pros and cons of both, and be helping you if you're already in an opportunity for leveraged or residual income, showing you what I know to build that thing. And if you're in affiliate marketing, more on the now money circuit, I'm going to be showing you how to sell what you want to sell out there on ClickBank or elsewhere. But I'm also going to be referring to opportunities, and some of those might be offering residual or leveraged income. And if you ever were to participate, you need to understand that your participation in such opportunities does not guarantee that you will generate any income. That's just the way it is. Your results are 100% dependent upon your personal efforts, productivity, and other unforeseeable variables, as it is everywhere. I may sometimes refer you to affiliate programs that offer you an opportunity to earn referral commissions, which can be used to generate what I may describe, and I have already, as now money or immediate cash flow to offset your marketing costs or reduce financial struggle often associated with a new home-based business. Participating in such programs does not guarantee you any income in and of itself. You have to actually apply and enter the space of an entrepreneur. Your results are 100% dependent, always, 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 upon your personal efforts, productivity, and other variables. Any references I ever make to compounding or growing your money through compounding are for illustrative purposes only, to show how compounding as a principle works and how it has been used historically to grow money and create wealth. It's something I will talk about from time to time. My focus is going to be on marketing, lead generation, but sometimes I'm going to talk about principles that build wealth, because I generated a lot of money early in my life, but didn't understand this. And so I was able to make money, but I wasn't able to get that money working for me. So I am passionate about teaching this. But in no way, when I share any compounding illustrations to teach these concepts or these principles, in no way does that imply that using any resource I ever discuss or refer you to or anything ever ensures that you're going to grow your money. In fact, if you trade or invest, you need to understand you could lose money. That's just the way it is. And just last, I am not a financial or investment advisor, and I won't be talking a lot about those kinds of topics. I'm going to be focused mostly on teaching you marketing, how to create now money with affiliate marketing, how to line that up with an opportunity you might be promoting so you can grow your list without out-of-pocket expense, and then be able to refer them into your opportunity and have this endless line of leads coming to you, literally begging to join your network. I'm going to show you all the things that you can do to make that happen. Or if you're not building an opportunity per se, and you just want to be able to succeed big in affiliate marketing, even on topics of how to create your own product and how to market it, how to get your own affiliate network. You know, back between 2007 and 2011, I had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people selling my products through affiliate marketing. I would pay them commissions. That's a really high leveraged way to do it. That's how all the gurus are doing it. I'm going to show you how to do all that stuff. But I will sometimes talk about things regarding compounding and growing your money. Just understand, whenever I get into that kind of stuff, I'm not a financial or investment advisor. I'm not recommending that you personally trade or invest. I may discuss resources for those wanting to self-manage their own portfolios to tap into compounding, but you should speak with a financial or investment advisor if you have any questions at all about whether or not you should use any particular resource, okay? All right, so that's that. This is just the first video of my channel, making sure we get the disclaimers and the reality checks out of the way. I still reference these a lot through the rest of my content when it's appropriate, but I just wanted to kick this off with this being established and invite you to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in having me walk you through how I was able to become a super affiliate years ago and hold that position as a super affiliate, generating multiple seven figures year after year with the big names. Mike Dillard sent me huge checks. Jonathan Budd sent huge checks. Ann Sieg sent in huge checks. How did I, and in fact, we partnered with Ann Sieg. She came to us and said, man, you're just killing it. I want to partner with you. And, you know, basically helped us just get on the map. I mean, she just took us to a whole nother level. Now, this was with a company that I was with, Marketing Merge. A lot of you might remember seeing that company around. We created School of Online Business, Coaching Cognition. In fact, one of our students at Coaching Cognition has now gone on to create one of the most successful affiliate networks in the industry, doing 50 million. We put a lot of people on the map. A lot of our students that were with us during those years have now gone on and become big leaders in the industry. I definitely have been around. This is what I love to teach and do. I'm going to teach you marketing. It starts with basics. It doesn't have to be hard, guys. I'm going to break it down simple. So subscribe to the channel, follow along, be sure to hit the little bell so you get notified when I create the next video, and I will see you soon.